We're giving away the 2026 ZR1X, the fastest, most badass sports car ever put out in the history of the world. And the proof is in the numbers. And I'm gonna get to those numbers in a minute. But first, let me tell you a little bit about it. In the back, we've got an LT7 engine, turbocharged V8 with a flat plane crankshaft. And in the front, we've got an electric motor that adds another 186. So a combined horsepowers of 1,250 horsepower. It starts at $207,000. Now, this one I ordered with a bunch of goodies. It's got the carbon fiber wheels, the aero package, kind of some mixed up interior that I like the spec of, and we came out at around $257,000. So that's what I'm talking about in the numbers, and I am freaked out to see how this giveaway goes because this is a whole hell of a lot of car. You can't just go out and buy one. The giveaway is live right now. This is one of the first ones off the line. It's serial number 11. GasMonkeyGarage.com is the way to get entered. Go there, grab some cool swag, grab some of our easy entries, and get yourself entered because this one is gonna be a wild one, and it is live right now. Whoa! Look at my pretty little Pantera.
Yes, sir.
Black on black, man. They don't come up very often.
It's a nice looking car.
So, what's the scoop? You drove it home.
Oh, well, I don't know what you've been told or what you heard, but yeah, I mean, we got it here.
Does it run and drive?
It does right now, yeah.
What was wrong with it?
The computer, the little forward control module.
So you got that fixed?
Got that fixed.
Well, let's take it for a ride, man.
Hey.
Obviously, we ain't riding this.
Not yet.
All right, I got my glasses. I'm ready to roll.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Pantera. You have any like Poison CDs or anything?
I didn't see any.
There's not a lot of room in this thing, is there?
No. Hey, but she fires right up.
Doesn't sound too bad.
No, it sounds pretty good. Nice.
When these things are dialed in, they're so rad.
The pedals are a little tight down here for me.
Oh yeah?
But yeah, other than that, I mean, man, this would be so fun to have.
Well, let's go.
Let's check it out.
I'm wearing my sunglasses indoors. Let's get outdoors. Brakes and everything feel good?
Yes, sir.
Look at that. We had a Josh garage door opener.
You did a pretty good job at that. A little combination. I love it. I mean, man.
It's clean, it's nice, everything's where it's supposed to be. And it's black.
Oh man, black on black though.
That's smooth. I've had a bunch of these cars and this is nice.
Okay, yeah, I mean, it's the first one I've ever been in. But yeah, I mean, it drives amazing.
It's one of the few that I've been in with a factory floor. They used to have what they called a fat man floor. And you took the whole floor pan out and you put in a different one, and it was like 3 inches lower, and got you more space in here, which at 6'1.5" I need.
Yeah, it would help.
Put some stereo in here. I could just be
man.
jamming some freaking hardcore rock and roll right now. Some Guns N' Roses, Slayer, Great White.
Oh man, you named it. The time right there.
No, this thing feels good, drives good. Freaking rad. Did you check all the lights, blinkers?
I need to go over blinkers actually. I don't think the blinkers are functioning.
We'll get them to work. That ain't no problem.
We got no windshield wipers, but I mean, you know.
Well, you can buy those.
Yeah.
A lot of guys took them off because the way that they work, they were way up here in your eyesight when they were off.
Learn something every day with you.
Yeah, it kind of sucked. I was like 5 years old when they made this car.
It does have AC.
Does it work? Oh, it is cool. Well, that's freaking rad. Nice and cool. I love it. Absolutely freaking rock and roll. I might need to add this to my collection of black babies.
Well, we were wondering, like, you know, you're gonna want to keep it. I mean, it's black. It looks good. It's fun to drive.
Yeah, this is a bad dude. And for this road right here, that's good suspension.
Yeah.
Because this road sucks. And what motor does this one have?
351 Cleveland.
Yeah, the Cleveland. Man, you trade that out with a modern motor that will lose about 400 pounds.
Oh yeah.
It'd be rad. Just put it back where it was.
Okay.
And I got to stare at it for a little while and drink a beer and decide if I want to keep it or not. Yeah, AC's cold. Love it. Turn it all down. Freaking rock and roll.
Sweet.
It is a little tight though. Freaking kick ass. So now I got a dilemma. We got it. It's cool. I'm not a big fan of the 74s because they got bumpers, or at least big bumpers. But other than that, it's pretty freaking dope. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But if you got a Pantera, hit me up at Gas Monkey Buys because that's where we got this one. I was in Sturgis, still bought the car, sent Ricky to go get it and got it done. So super badass, man. Back to bikes.
Back to bikes.
All right, guys, so we're about to unbox two electric, not electric, even though they are electric bikes. They hooked us up, and we're gonna unbox these, dude, but I think I can build mine faster than you.
I mean, it ain't really about the fast, it's about the quality of the build.
All right. I'm not gonna hurt you, John. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I don't think so. I'm trying to stab myself. Oh, God, what happened? Hey, hold on. You stay on your side. Don't be cheating now. Look.
I thought he said it wasn't about speed.
Oh, no. What happened, Ricky?
Hey man, they use some Boy Scout knots over here.
Hey, Ricky, I thought it wasn't about speed. What happened?
The quality of the build, it counts.
Well, why are you rushing then?
Oh, no. Just trying to get a look at this thing. Why am I already out of breath?
Get on your side of the table, bro.
I'm already out of breath.
I can tell you the first thing that I thought, though, is that it's heavy, so it feels like it's quality. You know?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, he ain't even trying to look. We're trying to talk about the product, Ricky.
Josh, you said it was heavy, and I was able to pull mine right out of the box.
So did I. I literally had mine on the table by the time you got yours when you did your running loop.
It was a little harder to get out of the box than I thought, but the bike looks awesome. Can't wait to get it together and try to beat Josh. I mean, get my quality build put together, you know?
Josh is done. I look away and Josh is already done.
Golly.
What you talking about, Ricky? Ooh, it's a big old LED headlight. That's nice. This is good stuff. This thing is like super beefy. Got some forks up front. Quality, dude.
Ooh. Let me try helping each other out.
Well, I mean, we can have fun all we want, but I mean, it's coming down to like Ricky said, it really is the product. We got to be careful, make sure we do them correctly, get it all done real nice, and tell Ricky that I'm done.
You got no pedals on that bike, bro.
Oh, damn.
Gotta find my kickstand here. Hey, Alex, help me out. Where's the kickstand?
Oh, hey, Alex, don't help
All right,
him.
thanks.
Oh, cheating from the outside, disqualified.
It was before the whole shot line.
What we got here, Ricky?
Hopefully the pedals are in here. Let's see. Yeah. There's some other things too. Ooh, socket type. That's cool. Did you see that, man? Did you see that, cameraman? Check that out, bro.
Flip-in pedals.
You don't have to worry about lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, and reverse. You know, usually bicycle you got that one that's left-hand threads, but not this time.
Who's that, dark foam mount?
It is. It comes with a nice foam. This is all stuff that comes with the bike. That's what's cool. I mean, there's a light here already. A removable foam mount.
I got stuff I don't even know what it is.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this? I'm gonna put that back. I don't think I need it for my first ride.
Ricky said, I don't know what it is. I'm putting it back.
got the keys, man. I'm ready to go riding.
No, hey. Before you do that, for real.
Color coded.
You got a battery pack, that's a charger. You got a charger included, a bike lock, and is he still working on his?
Hey, Ricky,
Yo.
little check in. How we doing?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what wire goes where.
That's crazy.
I didn't read the instructions. We'll plug them up and see what happens, I guess.
This is nice. Whoa, that's cool.
Ricky, how we doing?
Looking for the scissors.
Hey,
Did you use my scissors, bro?
I ain't using scissors.
I don't want to get a helmet. I think I'm ready.
Huh?
Man, what'd you do with the scissors, bro?
Not with the damn, I ain't using scissors. I mean, I'm not rubbing it in, Ricky. We're going. The seat's a little low.
Yeah,
Look, within, I don't know, check the timer, 5 minutes, we had 2 of these things ready to go. You're going to town, you're doing all your chores, you got an extra bike. You want one? Head on over to Electric Bike, get your own. This one's mine. Turbo, check this out, come here. So you can go non-assisted, in eco mode, you know, riding around and stuff. Touring, where you're just kind of comfortable. Sport mode. Sport Plus. Well, we know what mode I'm about to try out. Turbo mode.
Be careful now.
Is it not? Oh, it is. It's got a thought. Whoa! Look what I just figured out. Check this out. It's got lockout freaking front forks. So you can do, preload. You can stiffen them up a little bit. I'm a little thicker. Let's go. Yeah. Bro, this thing's sweet. I got blinkers. What? Is that brake light? I got brake lights and blinkers, bro. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna go over all the features of the electric bike while Ricky's still trying to get his together. So we'll talk about this real quick. Your nice 3-inch LCD screen with good, nice buttons over here. Nice rubber buttons. Look at clicky. Nice. Look at the watch. You ready? Ready? You ready for it? Let me put it down on the kickstand. That's speed, baby. Oh, hey! Look up here. Hurry. 20 mile an hour. I mean, that's pretty dang good, bro. You can get on down to the store real quick. It's got a lot of weight to it. I like that, actually. And it's so quiet. Check this out. All right, bro. I'll put this up here. Turn on some tunes real quick. Let's see what's up. Let's go. Y'all see Richard, tell him I'll be back in a minute. I got stuff to do. Oh, the seats are shot. Dude! Check this out.
Work.
Oh, I cut in on him. Let's find out what Ricky's doing. Let's go.
Outstanding.
Easy there.
Did you notice this yet, Ricky? The seats are shot.
That's cool. Well, I just now found my power button, but I'm already in sport mode, so all I need now is a helmet.
You're only in sport?
You got turbo? I got sport plus.
Turbo.
I need a helmet.
Mine's installed with the radio. Check this out. Let's go. It keeps up with your cadence. So that's your pedaling RPM in case you want to do a good workout on the bike. Your trip time. You got miles. This trip, so you got a tripometer. Oh, look, check it out. We know our voltage, what amperage we're using, input and motor power. So this is probably when you pedal. Yeah, see? I just charged it when I pedaled. Dude, this is cool. Do I look as cool as what I feel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
For sure.
Oh, man. This is sick.
Turbo.
Oh, God. Hey, did you pedal on turbo?
No. Boy, that felt good.
Pedaling on turbo. Shit. I feel like pedaling it is faster.
These are fun.
Yeah. I'm actually having a lot of fun on this. Yo, Ricky.
What?
Wait for it. He's pointing the wrong way. Into the street and back. My pedal hit the ground when I turned. I was carving.
Yeah, these are for fun, man. You gotta be cool, right? This is a lot of fun.
I like it.
Easy, bro, easy.
Having too much fun. It's hot out here. Look, I know you see us having fun. You see how easy these things are to build. They're super durable. So if you want to get your own bike, dude, head on electricbikes.com and get your own XP4 yourself. And yeah, I feel like going to test them a little bit more. I'm gonna suit back up. What about you?
I'm ready.
Huh? Tell Richard we'll be back.